pricing is the decision-making process of establishing a value for a product or a service, a monetary value, and it is based on a number of variables. So one of the variables is the costs incurred by the business. Someone mentioned my costs or financial goals, or which could be something similar. The perceived value of what is being sold, so how much value the clients see in the service that they're buying. Competitors' prices, I didn't see the word competitors in there, maybe it has popped up right now. Market trends, brand positioning, and a lot more. So pricing is a process, and the pricing strategy that you go for will depend on a lot of these variables. And today I want to talk to you about 5 main pricing strategies that I think we can apply to our work as translators. The first one may be sort of the easier one. It's called cost plus pricing, where basically you add up your running costs and add a profit margin on top. There was a talk by Karim McKay last year which explained this in very high detail. I'm just going to whiz through it because, you know, if you were at last year's presentation, you don't want to hear it twice. But this is the sort of basic pricing strategy, and it can help you define your minimum rate. So what's the lowest you can go in order to meet all your living and business costs, pay tax, and put some money on the side as savings. You have competitive pricing, whereby you align your pricing to those of the competition. And I'm going to show you a few places where you can find information about sort of average prices, competitor prices.